Hi guys and welcome to another video on Looking Good Feeling Fab with me Abhilasha. Today we are talking about skincare and not just any kind of skincare but skincare based on Ayurveda, natural products. That's the kind of skincare I really appreciate and like. The kids have been having holidays for the last 2 months because of which there has been a lot of skin exposure. There's been a lot of time under the sun, in the swimming pool, by the beach and traveling and outdoors and stuff like that. And I started to feel that my skin had started to really feel the damage of all that sun exposure. In today's video, I'm going to show you a few products that have really been helping me over the last few weeks take care of my skin and reverse some of the damage. When I wake up in the morning, these days I have been feeling that the weather is so weird that my T-zone becomes really oily and I feel the need to wash my face, and I use a really gentle face cleanser which is from Soultree. It is the face cleanser which is for normal to dry skin. It is so gentle and so light, and it doesn't foam a lot. It doesn't lather a lot, which is a good thing because all these other face washes and detergents and any shampoos, etc., even toothpaste, they add a lot of artificial ingredients and chemicals to make it foam, just because we have been conditioned to believe that unless something foams and froths a lot and you end up looking like a snowman, your skin is not being cleaned, which is not true at all. So I just use like literally 2-3 drops of this cleanser, massage it gently on my face, wash it off, and it feels totally refreshed, as good as new, and so clean and beautiful. Also, it does not leave my skin very dry. I literally can walk out just like this and it won't feel stretchy and dry. Lately in the morning, I have also been using this face scrub, also from Soultree. It has very fine grains of walnut in it, and it also has turmeric in it. It feels really gentle and nice on the skin, and you can see that I love massaging it. It feels like, a therapy. It feels beautiful on the skin. Just gently massage it on the skin and you will fall in love. So the walnut and turmeric help to get rid of the tan and they exfoliate your skin. It also has rose, lemon peel and neem, which we all know have protective properties for our skin and are really good for our skin. And it has natural vitamin E from cold pressed almond oil. So all these ingredients are to die for. I love it and I love how it feels on the skin. I will tell you a secret that I have been using this and I have been massaging this on my face for 2-3 minutes, just like you can see. And while I'm massaging it on my face, I am saying a few affirmations. Things like, I have beautiful skin. Thank you so much for my beautiful, beautiful skin. I have the most flawless, radiant skin that I have ever seen. I feel so happy with my skin. So after this step, I will just spray on my cucumber and lemon mist. It's a quick DIY and it is a face mist. So all you have to do is grate a cucumber and squeeze 1/4 of a lemon squeeze into the cucumber, and then squeeze out all the juice from the cucumber. Then you chano it, sieve it, and then put that into a spray bottle. Keep it in the refrigerator. The lemon juice acts as a natural preservative. However, if you keep it in the fridge, it will last you a lot longer. And just keep spraying it on your face many times a day, as many times as you feel the need to. The cucumber, of course, has cooling properties. It cools your skin and lets it breathe and, calm down. And the lemon, of course, has vitamin C. Let it dry out. And once it has dry out, I go ahead and apply an SPF, which is also from Soultree. This is the first time I'm trying their UV protecting cream, and it feels really, really good. You really need a very small amount of the cream, and it does not have those very harsh, very strong chemicals that are usually used by other SPF creams, which to kind of form a barrier between you and the sun. It uses really beautiful ingredients even in the UV protecting cream. It has organic olive oil and green tea extract, which protects you from the harsh ultraviolet rays of the sun. It has aloe vera and witch hazel, which are two of my favorite ingredients. They soothe the skin and they hydrate the skin and they just feel beautiful on the skin. It also has organic sunflower, coconut, almond oil, and it has carrot seed oil, which lightens the skin. So it has these really nice ingredients, and when you apply it on your skin, you will feel your skin thanking you. So I know there are a lot of Soultree products, but I really really enjoy Sultry products, and I've made videos on them before. In fact, the lipstick I'm wearing is also from Sultry, and the eyeliner that I'm wearing is also from Sultry. So you know that I'm genuinely in love with the brand and what they do, the people behind the brand, and all the products that they make. So yeah, this is what I've been doing during the day. And then at night, when I have come back home and I want to unwind and relax, Sultry has just launched a range of face packs, and I have I have all three of their face packs. One is the Detan face pack, one is the anti-acne face pack, and another one is the Radiant Skin face pack. So I have recently, because of the sun damage that my skin has just gone through, I am using their Detan face pack, and it comes in this box with 10 sachets in it. And another reason why I love the face pack is because the sachets are completely biodegradable and it is a completely sustainable product. I love brands, and I really appreciate brands who are taking small steps, big steps towards in protecting the environment. So the Detan face pack has mountain rose, lemon peel and oatmeal in it, and so delicious and yummy. So this pack repairs the damage caused by harmful UV rays. So the 10 sachets are for 495, which means a single sachet is less than $50, and it is as good as having a complete facial at home. And you're just supposed to open a sachet, empty the contents of the sachet, mix it with yogurt or with rose water depending on your skin type, and then apply it all over your skin. It smells like wet earth after the first rain, and I love the smell. It's so amazing, and it feels really cool. It's like, you've gone into a deep freezer, and that's how cooling and soothing it feels on the skin. Then keep it on for 15-20 minutes, wash it off, and then again I spray my cucumber and lemon spray on my skin, let that dry out, and then just before I sleep I will maybe put on a retinol. So I don't use the face pack every night, though I would love to, and I think it's gentle enough to use every day, but it is recommended that you use it 2 or 3 times a week, and that is what I have been doing, and I've been using it for the last couple of weeks. So I definitely feel a difference in my skin. And with anything in life, and the same stands for any product that you use, if you use it consistently over a period of time, you will definitely start to see results. So this was my terrible weather skincare routine, and these are the products that I have been loving and enjoying. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions for me, please leave them in the comments below and I will try and answer them. I will see you very soon in the next video. Until then,